ko talaga i-mute ko dito kasi may music na restrict ito. Pero mga ganito kasi may music na background. Kailangan i-mute mo. Restrict mo. Ha? Sarap nito ng mga pagkain, no? Mainit talaga, oh. Lalo na sa gabi. Close pa sila. Nagsabit-sabit na yung mga ano ko. Oh, meron palang kids. Umulan kahapon dito. Yes, umulan. Merong games yung mga bata. Aakyat pa ako mamaya dun sa cottage na yun. Here, konti lang yung mga tao kasi maaga pa. Kaya kailangan namin umuna dun. Dun, hello. Hello. Wala pa yan dati, Tess. Tingnan mo ngayon. Ganda na. Isa lang ba yung phone na dala ko? Parang hawak-hawak ko kanina. Ay, pala sa ano. Ay, sorry. Excuse me. Floor. We're going to the other side because there's so many people here. So we'll cross the bridge. Oh, butterfly. It's orange color. Wow. Siya, doon sa kabila. Shaking, shaking. Low tide. Pero parang may mga bula-bula. Doon kami sa bato na yun dati, nung nabete ako. Tapos tawid-tawid pa. O, tingnan mo, atayin nila. Okay. So here already. Other lake. Oh, dyan lang. We will eat first. We're so hungry. Hello, we're here in the top of this building, not building, this building with my friends. We're going up. You can see the view downstairs. It's low tide. You see low tide. The bridge is there. There's 7-Eleven. There's new building there. Nice because there's no sun. Later we will go swimming. This is Palawan Beach here in Singapore. Yeah. Dali, saka. I'll show you the view. Ay, may connection pala dito. Teso? Connection. Ay, ngayon ko lang to alam na connected dito. Oh, I just know that this is connected now. Before I go, or maybe I just don't notice. And then going up. I'm enjoying the moments here because sooner I will leave Singapore for good. So I'm taking the time to take videos for memories and for you to see the beauty of Singapore. I'm here already. Ay! I'm here already at the top. Oh. You can see that is Vivo City, Imbiade Station, Sentosa Station. See the Palawan Beach. There's 7-Eleven already, so you can buy what you need nearer than before, because before there's no 7-Eleven here. It's overlooking. That is Sinchan Island, Tess, right? Maybe that is Sinchan Island. I just think it's Sinchan. No. It's not Sinchan because Sinchan is connected with other near island. Wow, blue water down. Nice to swim, but I don't know how to swim. There's a separate for safety. Like the water is very relaxing. Things there. And watch. So many people already. But the weather is favorable today. My friend is eating. There's a bridge there. There's so many people going here.
Okay.
is Palawan Beach
Yes, we're okay.
here in Singapore.
Oh, Mommy, there's actually people on that thing. Mommy, there's actually people on that thing. Which thing? Man, the red, green, blue thing.
Ganda na ano, ng tubig, nag-ano talaga siya. Yun, no? Yung wave. We're here. Bye-bye. We're going to the beach now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Today is Labor Day. Happy Labor Day to everybody, to all workers around the world. Thank you. Please subscribe on my channel. Always remember, you're so special.